So presenting to you our Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna Allaha wa malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabi. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu sallu alayhi wa sallimu taslima. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala Muhammad. Respected guests, members, ex-members, welcome to our decades anniversary of Scorpions Cricket Club. Most of the things have already been highlighted and displayed as well by Faizan and the media team. Wonderful job, by the way, I must say. But I'll still go quickly over the journey that we had. As Faizan stated earlier, that we started in 2015 unofficially, playing at the party blocks with the table. But then the idea came up that the passion was there for cricket, the hunger was there, तो थोड़ा सा आगे लेके चलते हैं। वहाँ से हमने भाई इन स्पोर्ट्स का दौर आया, इन स्पोर्ट्स में खेला, इन स्पोर्ट्स में टूर्नामेंट जीते। From there on, I remember once it was about 6 months down the road, and Zohaib was the one who said, "मुझे यार काफी खेला हमने इन स्पोर्ट्स में, यार क्यों ना हमारे पास लड़के ज़्यादा हैं तो we should have a formal team and let's play hard ball, like असल मजा है, leather ball का ये this and that." And support was there from Faizan, Amir Bhai. Then we thought, okay, let's make a team. We formed a team. It was about 12 to 14 people at that time. We looked for a tournament. We didn't know anybody at that time. So we registered for this last man standing league, LMS. And May 2016 was the first match that we played as Scorpions. Before that, no jersey, no kit, no name. We found the name. As you said, everybody knows how we found the name. So, anyways, we got our identity and we kickstart the game from there or towards the main hardball cricket. LMS champion went to cement में खेला. एक आध matches we got a chance to play on turf and turf का मजा जब वो एक कहता ना शेर के मुंह को जब खून लग गया तो था कि अब turf पे ज़्यादा खेलना. But then the sport was less. The word started spreading. People who were playing for other teams, for our Banks team, they saw the new team, Scorpions, running well. They joined us. The group started to become larger. We started to grow. And then Alhamdulillah, then we played at ICC grounds. Further went up to playing International Stadium, Dubai International Stadium, a couple of tournaments. So the experience was there. Then came JMR and so on. Anyways, this was the history, as I said, has already been told before. But why Scorpions? Why not? I mean, there are numbers of teams across UAE. But why I really wanted to join Scorpions, especially from within our organization where we work? It was because, honestly, like the funding was also by ourselves. Till date, Scorpions Cricket Club is being running on its own funding without any sponsors. So people are willing to pay and then play. Whereas they had the choice to play for free from other organizations, from other sponsors, other sponsored teams. But passion was not cricket club. But what was more important was, as Rahul Bhai said, that the base of Scorpions was friendship, love, respect for each other. I remember like when we started playing in cement, we had a squad of 14, but when playing 11 was announced, most of the time 14 players were there, cheering, backing up each other, and like, and there were times we used to win, we used to lose, but it's fun, like family thing. Scorpions is not only limited to the players, but most of our members, most of the families of our members have also been in along. They are also a part of our Scorpions Cricket Club. So Scorpions is more of a family. And family जब होती है तो उसमें love है, friendship है, respect है, honor है दूसरे के लिए. But today I want to say something very openly, not to criticize, not as a sarcastic critique. But lately I've noticed something that जहाँ पे family है तो वहाँ पे kitchen है, बर्तन है तो कभी बचते हैं. So small cracks are appearing wherein the players are more thirsty about the winning the game. Always they are like, you know, आजकल ये टॉपिक चल रहा है कि हमें ये टीम लेके जानी है, we want to this tournament, ये करना है, वो करना है. Whereas as I said earlier, when we started, winning or losing did not matter that much. Of course, we used to participate to win, but more than that, it was like क्या जीतेंगे हारेंगे देखेंगे, but get together होगा, वो आएगा, मिलेंगे, टाइम स्पेंड होगा, मैच खत्म हो गया, बैठे हुए बातें कर रहे हैं, कैच छूट गया किसी से, we are laughing it off. हार गए एक दूसरे को तसल्ली दे रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं यार, ये गलती की हमने, नेक्स्ट टाइम ये करेंगे, we discuss करेंगे. Lately I have noticed like, you know, that everybody is like more thirsty towards winning only. We have to have the best teams, and despite having a score of 28, we started from 14 as I said. Today we are studying at 28 Scorpion members. But every one of you is aware that lately, most of the times, I would say, when I say most, I will say more than 95% of the time, we are still looking for players. We are looking for guest players to come and play for us. We are not able to complete our playing squad for every match. We are doing our best कि भाई हम हफ्ते में 2 मैच खेल रहे हैं, इसीलिए कि भाई हम एक दूसरे को मतलब सारे स्कॉटलैंड मेंबर्स को केटर कर सकें, किसी को ये प्रॉब्लम ना हो, ये शिकायत ना हो कि यार हमें मैच नहीं मिल रहा, वो नहीं मिल रहा. अदरवाइज मैच once a week and 28 members sufficient for us, but then फिर उसमें कंप्लेंट जाएंगे. So we are working on it with a tight budget and everything. Now we have been playing 2 matches per week, and this is happening since quite a few years. But lately, as I said, very lately I have noticed that ये tracks जो आ रहे हैं, this is not good. This is we should not forget our base. When we are getting together for bonding, for friendship, for love, for respect, plus the passion towards our life. So the facts are there, and as I said, like being the president, I am closely monitoring all this. But that's a promise that inshallah, I'm working on this tracks, and very soon, inshallah, I'll come up with a strategy. जहाँ पे ये tracks हैं, it's not a permanent damage. I'll fix those tracks. We'll get back together. We'll be one. We are one. We'll remain one. Because once a Scorpion, always a Scorpion. Thank you very much.
But due to their some other engagements, they have left Scorpions. But we still